Hey everyone, welcome back to Mobile's Buzz 2.0. Today's battle is between the OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 12R, two giants about to clash. Stick around as we dive into what makes them tick, from their stunning screens to their beastly batteries. And hey, if you love tech as much as we do, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of our tech deep dives. Starting with the screens, the OnePlus 12 packs a 6.8-inch OLED beauty, sharper and bigger than the OnePlus 12R's 6.7-inch. Bigger and clearer, but what's your take? Let us know down below. Camera talk. The OnePlus 12's trio of lenses promises to turn your photos into masterpieces. The 12R keeps it simpler but sweet. Are you a snap-happy photographer or a casual clicker? Now, onto the brains and brawn. The OnePlus 12 offers monster storage and RAM, beating the 12R. Are you all about that storage life, or is less more for you? Battery-wise, it's a close call, but the 12R slightly edges out with more juice. Which one do you think will keep you powered up longer? That's the showdown between the OnePlus 12 and 12R. Did this battle change your team? Comment your thoughts. Loved this face-off? Hit the thumbs up, share with your crew, and subscribe for all the latest battles and buzz. Thanks for hanging with us. Catch you on the next one.